Well, thank you so much for this opportunity, Citizen. You've done us proud for bringing us together under this roof, and I'm glad that we're able to engage the rest of our colleagues and fellow Kenyans. What really makes us as consumers and consumer advocates disturbed with this finance bill, one is that the consumer is going to bear the burden of everything. Consumers bear the burden of the car manufacturer, the your people. Consumers are footing all the bills there. We are going to bear all the burdens of everything on the finance bill. And this translates to high cost of living. And also, this also translates to maybe consumers will not really be able to take care of even themselves. Okay, we have no problem. Hatuna shida kulipa ushuru. Lakini tulipe ushuru na tuone manufaa ya ushuru. The problem in our country is one. We pay taxes, but we don't even see what the taxes do. We pay taxes and the roads are just bad. We pay taxes and we don't have schools for our children. And actually, if it were maybe in other economies, when we pay taxes and we take care of issues that the government is supposed to take care of, a case in mind here is like the public schools. Yeah. We have public schools that we as taxpayers are paying teachers from our taxes. But most of us, we don't even take our children to public schools. Actually, we are helping the government to take care of what they were supposed to take care of. Yeah. If this government was sensitive enough, then it could have come forward and even give us tax relief. Okay. So what we are asking, what we are saying here is that we don't want to be overburdened with already a heavy load that's on us from the past year. And number two, we are worried lot. Actually, we are in a slaughterhouse as consumers, because anytime we bring our issues and we say, kindly don't put this levy, this tax, even from last year, this government doesn't seem to listen. The people that we elected, they don't listen to consumers, and I even wonder, then who are you representing in that house? Who are you talking on behalf? Who are you making laws for? I mean, what are you trying to do? Do you want to be left alone to live in this country? Because with the heavy taxes, with the high cost of living, then stress, mental health, all these things are just affecting our people. Right. So basically, just by, as I finish, consumers are worried because each and every one of us, and especially on the basic goods, actually they are going to be bearing the most burden than another person.